Hey everybody, I'm Andrea Bouget from Aromahead Institute, and in today's video I want to show you how to make an oil for your belly. So if your belly is feeling upset, your digestion feels off, maybe you have cramps or just you've eaten too much, you're just uncomfortable, this will be a fabulous oil you can just rub it on your belly or on your low back. And it's made in a base of jojoba. So I have a 1 ounce cobalt blue glass bottle, and I'm going to just add 1 ounce of jojoba to it. Here we go. I love these pumps because they're calibrated to 1 ounce or close to 1 ounce. So I just have to pump it once and it fills the bottle. It's great. And I'm gonna put 4 essential oils in here today. So the first one is peppermint, which is a classic for a comfy belly. And the name of the recipe is Comfy Belly, Open Heart. So this is the comfy belly part. And peppermint, refreshing, bright, gorgeous, but so settling for your stomach. And I am gonna put in 4 drops. So let's just get that going. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect. It smells so good. I just love this. This is a blend that I take with me a lot when I travel, because I'm eating out a lot and I'm just not on my usual food, eating my usual foods. So I love to have this blend with me. Then I'm going to add 2 drops of distilled lime. And I love distilled lime. It's such a burst. And every time I combine peppermint and lime, I feel like they're doing this funny dance together because they're both so bright. They're both so dominant. They love attention. Both of them just love attention in the blend. So together, they make quite a pair. So I'm gonna add 2 drops of lime. 1, 2. It's great, so pretty. And then I'm going to add 4 drops of one of my most favorite oils. It's called Yuzu. And if you're not familiar, I'm gonna read you a story of Yuzu from my book, The Heart of Aromatherapy. That's where this recipe is from. I'm gonna read that to you in a second. I'm just gonna put the oil in, but Yuzu is a Japanese citrus, and the oil is distilled from the rind, and it is a gorgeous citrus. It's like it combines grapefruit, lime, lemon. It's so pretty. There's so many layers to it. So I'm gonna put 4 drops in, and it is a wonderful oil for digestion, and if your stomach's upset, to support your support the calming. It's antispasmodic. It's going to really calm down your belly. Okay, so I'm just going to put the cap on for a second before I add my last oil, because I want to read you this story about Yuzu. I know that not everybody is familiar with this essential oil. So this is called Yuzu's Flair. Okay. Yuzu is a Japanese citrus fruit that looks like a small orange with a bumpy rind. And in Japan, it's considered a fruit of new beginnings and vibrant health. And taking a hot bath with Yuzu is a tradition on the winter solstice. Isn't that interesting? I love that. They bathe in the rinds of the fruit. So the goal is to release the aroma of the fruit and infuse the water with Yuzu's therapeutic properties. Sometimes the whole fruits are dropped right into the water, sometimes just the peels. An aromatic Yuzu bath calms the mind, calms the body, and leaves you feeling inspired for the future. So the essential oil can have the same effect. It's comforting in blends. It's meant to soothe anxiety, which is really nice if your stomach's not feeling well, right? And its emotional qualities are similar to those of sweet orange. So it's uplifting and just a wonderful oil for your spirit. Yuzu baths are also used to protect against cold and flus and to help reduce infection. And like other citrus oils, Yuzu is helpful for stomach issues, which is what we're making it for today. Try it in a bath salt or a belly oil for digestion. Its ability to calm inflammation and ease muscle spasms can offer a sense of relief. Okay. So hopefully that will help you kind of remember about Yuzu. And I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 drops of Bergamot Mint. Are you familiar with this one? It's so nice. It's actually a mint, but it has a citrus tone to it. So the mint part of it is lighter than peppermint. And the citrus part of it is lighter than the yuzu. So between all these oils, you have a gorgeous synergy, plus that lime. It's just their perfect combination. So I'm going to put 2 drops in. 1 and 2. Great. And I love combining oils like this. So we have peppermint and we have the Bergamot Mint, right? So they're in resonance. And then we have the beautiful lime and yuzu citruses, which is also in resonance with this beautiful Bergamot Mint. So together, from an aromatic perspective, they work great. And all 4 oils are geared towards calming your belly and also calming anxiety and tension that can either cause belly tension or be a result of it. So then you're just going to take your bottle and give it a nice little gentle shake. And as I mentioned, you can just apply some of it right to your belly and to your low back. So I hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.